Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I am going to show how to change this grease filter on this Whirlpool microwave. And the model number of this microwave is WMH31017HS-2. But before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And make sure that you unplug your microwave, which I've already unplugged this microwave. The plug in was right there, like above the microwave in this cabinet. But yeah, check this grease filter out. It is pretty gross. Okay, so the new filter that I bought is inside of the cardboard there. Okay, so let me take the new filter out here of the cardboard, get it ready. Just have it ready to go. And that's what it looks like there. I'm just gonna set that off to the side for a moment. I'm gonna leave the cardboard right here for a minute just in case. I'm leaving it underneath, you can't see it, but I'm leaving it underneath the filter just in case when I remove this, if anything drops down, it can drop onto the cardboard. So there's like a spot right here, you know, to be able to I'm just gonna kind of move it back a little bit like that, and you saw it started to fall down, and then I just kind of moved it until I could take it out. Look at that, that's gross though. Super gross. So okay, I'm just gonna set that down. This side with this metal piece here, I think maybe this is just to help kind of grip it in the future to remove it and maybe to help install it. But I guess before I do this too, I'm just taking a look just to make sure there's nothing like, you know, dust or whatever in here that I could just remove, but it looks okay. So, okay, so I'm going to just barely put the filter in right here, just like that. And then I'm lifting the filter up, and I had to move it back a little bit. There we go. And then I'm just going to kind of moving this back so this part of the filter can rest on the opposite side of here. So I'm just kind of gently sliding it back. And it kind of sticks a little bit as I'm going. I'm just trying to be careful. There we go. Let's just make sure the filter. There we go. Okay, and once you're done installing the grease filter on the bottom of your microwave and you're done working on your microwave, don't forget to plug your microwave back in. I'm actually not going to plug my microwave back in yet because I am going to make another video about how to change the light bulb on the bottom of the microwave. So if you're interested in learning on how to do that, please check back for that video. I'm also going to link a video at the end of this one where I show how to set the time on the microwave because since the microwave is unplugged, when the microwave does get plugged back in, the time will need to be set. So if you need to learn how to do that, I will link that video at the end of this one. So I hope that this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.